Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Xiaomi Redmi Buds 4 Pro with any Android phone. Okay, so first of all we have to open this charging case, find this small button, click and hold it, and wait until this indicator starts blinking. Right now all you have to do is just to open the Bluetooth settings on your phone, turn it on, and from the available devices list select Redmi Buds 4 Pro. Okay, for some reason we have a pairing issue. Let's try one more time. Accept the pairing right now. As you can see right now we are successfully connected, but we can also get from the Play Store the application of the Redmi earbuds. So let's type Redmi earbuds app, and we have to download actually this one. So let's get it on our device. You have to keep that case open, by the way. Then we can open this application, accept permissions, accept our region. We are able to update this firmware, but I'm gonna skip and do this later. Accept another permissions. And as you can see, we are successfully connected thanks to this standard Bluetooth settings connection. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.